Holiday Rambler Endeavor for sale in Benton, Arkansas. 72019. Spread your wings and fly with this 2006 Holiday Rambler Endeavor. This Class A motorhome is 40 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong-powered Cummins Diesel engine mated with an automatic transmission that offers an impressive 400 horsepower. This RV has 4 slide-outs, 1 awning and offers sleeping accommodations for up to 4 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with a backup camera, power mirrors, automatic leveling system and captain's chairs. With only 80,000 miles, you can rest assured that this Holiday Rambler will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2006 Holiday Rambler Endeavor is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include great cooking area with 3-burner stove and large microwave / convection OvenNew Refrigerator / FreezerDouble kitchen SinkDinette with chair SeatingNew flat screen television surround SoundsDVD / CD / StereoSofa SleeperClairsLarge bathroom with ShowerWasher / dryer IncludedMaster queen size bed full master closet / dresser 8,000 Watt Onan Generator 2,000 Watt inverter and so much more. This 2006 Holiday Rambler Endeavor is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Holiday Rambler is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2006 Holiday Rambler Endeavor.